What's up, Bybit fam? I do believe we are officially live. I see users starting to hop on the stream. Please do confirm if you can hear my voice, see my screens. Let me know what is up. If you are here, if you are watching, drop us a message right now in the comments. Say, I'm here. Tell us where you're from. Tell us how long you've been trading. Tell us what you think of Bybit. I see our first ever like has come through from Facebook from Sukara G. So shout out to Sakura G. This is our first time streaming to Bybit official Facebook and Bybit official Africa Facebook, as well as Bybit official YouTube and Bybit official Twitter. So we are going global, we are going huge, we are going cross-platform. And I see the loves and the likes coming in from Facebook. Isn't that awesome? Let me very quickly confirm if we are indeed live. Oof, we are live on Facebook. Oh, lovely to see. Are we live on Twitter? Give me 1 second to confirm. There it is. We are live on Twitter. Are we live on YouTube? Let's have a look. There we are, live on YouTube. So everything is pretty dandy, pretty bullish, looking pretty nice. I know we have a lot of bears. We have a lot of bulls. We have a lot of strong arguments for the bulls. We have a lot of strong arguments for the bears. And this is when you can see that I am just over the moon. Because this means that the focus is back. Everyone wants to put their money into something. And you know, maybe that is bearish. When everyone and their cousins and their grandmas want to buy some altcoins, of course, that is a little bit too high on the greed scale. And yeah, I mean, the bears have been winning. Let's be honest. Mr. Bitman, share with us what your profits have been. And let's have a look at the comments. Oh, lovely. Thank you for hopping in. It's from South Africa, Crypto Cupcake. Very nice. I see Crypto Cloud is in the building from Nigeria. So there we go. From South London, Mr. Christian Byrne. And congratulations on your recent success. You are absolutely killing it, and just keep going. This is how it's done. We aim for the moon and we die trying. Dylan Brummer from South Africa. What's up, my brother? Welcome to the crew. As we can see, the South African crew is just going nuts. Oh, thank you so much. Not financial advice. And we have, for the first time, Jess helping me out, moderating the comments and helping me out in general. So thank you, Jess. And you know what? There's one extra winner slot on the Kahoot podium because, as most of you know, Jess kills the Kahoot every single time. And now she's out. I've taken her. I've said, no, you're too good. Now you're going to help me. So there is another spot for all of us. I see Farouk. I see Swas. Happy birthday. Bybit is 5 years old. Alright, Gibson, let's go. What's up, brother? Mr. Trades. Yes, Leonard is not with us. And unfortunately, Sheldon is not with us either. So I'm carrying it. And you know what? It's not going to be on me today. It's going to be on you. It's going to be on the community. You're going to give me the alpha. You're going to give me the trades. And I'm going to reward you for it. So thank you for that, Trades by Real. It's just me. I know my face is not pretty. And I tend to shout at the mic. But let's go. I'll be as much of a realist as possible. And you know what? Next week we are getting Sheldon. He does apologize. He really wants to be here. But life happens, as all of us know. And we move. Alright, so right now, bullish or bearish on the 4-hour time frame, you can see what I have open. Value area high, 4 hours. We are now sitting just above it. Bullish. We also have a very clear upward sloping trend line, which we are above. Bullish. We also had the nice move from the POC. We're getting constantly higher lows and possibly even higher highs. And there's a lot more that I want to show you on the charts. I noticed this just now, and let me just quickly show you. This is a little bit advanced, but it is what we call a hidden bullish divergence, which can actually be more powerful than a regular bullish divergence. And let me just show you the last time we received it right here. If we go back, and this is Market Cipher B for those of you who don't know, starting out with a little bit of advanced TA here. Hidden bullish divergences are difficult to spot, but look at the last one. and the pump that was received was 40%. So there's bullish atmosphere. I know there are bearish plays. I know there are bearish traders in profits. So let's go. Is Bitman in the building? Let's make this an interactive stream. I know Bitman is a market cipher beast. And yeah, there's so much to look into here. So we're going to delve into all of it. And if it is your first time in the stream, please do drop us a message. Do not be shy. If you do not know, the Bybit communities are here to protect you. They're here to keep you safe as a safe haven, because most of us know, who have been in this game for many, many years, 10 years plus, if you don't have a community, you will get taken out. And this doesn't even just go for crypto. This goes for life in general. Humans need community. Hey, Drake, Samana, we move. Bullish, very nice to hear. And I mean, bullish is not a bad way to be. Look at this. $600 in profit on $2,000 on only DCA bots. Bullish is not a bad position to be in. Alright, so let's not get caught up. Let's have some fun. Before we get into the degen trades, let's have a little look at the copy trading strategy. So thank you to those loyal followers, and let me know right now in the chat if there are any of my loyal copy trading followers in the chat. Very, very cool to see profits being made. And what you can see is my tiptoe strategy, my nibble in strategy. Most of you know, if you come in with a small account, like I'm coming in with $500 and I want to compound it to $10,000, initially your biggest enemy will be drawdown. And you can see this is my main metric of concern. My drawdown, I'd rather take small break evens. And yeah, this last BTC trade, I mean, oh my word, that was just unfortunate. I got a little bit skittish and stopped myself out at 36.6. As most of you know, we dumped from there, and it's been the last few trades. So I need to be a little bit more confident. But basically now, the way I see it, the way compounding works, I have this to play with. This is what I have to risk. You never risk your initial capital. You slowly compound on it. Alright, so I see the followers are growing. Thank you to everyone who's putting the money where our mouths are. And let's see if we can find a copy trade today. Let's see if we can open a copy trade for the 13 awesome followers who are here giving their $1,300 to me to trade. So thank you. It is no small task. I do not take it lightly. And as you can see from our P&L share, I do go a bit degen on my own account, and I trade 100x, etc. But on copy trading, it is very much a slow play strategy. So if you are there, just remember, be patient. Be patient. Exercise patience in all aspects. Alright. Awesome. I miss Leonard too. We all do. Ah, there we go. Thank you so much, Crypto Cupcake. Alright, everybody, so please don't be shy. New to the community. Welcome, Rockstar. I've seen you in the communities. Digital Flyer is here. What's up, Mr. CVT? Let's give my camera a little moment there. Alright, so as most of you know, we start off with a bang. So what I first want to know right now, 15-minute time frame, bullish or bearish, what we usually do. I know there's a lot of newcomers. We are on new platforms today. I see across the platforms we are looking pretty good. So thank you everybody for being here. But we always start off with a bang. I don't know if we should look at these trades quickly or just go straight into degen trades. But yeah, let me just show you quickly this bonk trade. Some of you know. Looking pretty cool. If we go down to the 4 hour, it'll be a little bit easier to see the entry. And I mean, this is such an easy entry and such a nice trade. You can see we've already realized almost $100. And what's cool there is that it was only literally, I think, a $20 trade. So very low risk, only $2 left in the trade at a 600% profit. And let me just show you the most simple TA is just market structure, flip of support and resistance. Look at all this support broken and here it comes to be tested. And when we broke it, I just rode the trend. And yes, it's high leverage, and sometimes those plays do play out. I am currently short on BTC. This was quite a nice entry, and thank you, Bitman, for your analysis. I mean, you're always so on it. And I want to talk about where the next short entry is as a major part of my TA, because I do believe if you're not short and there is a continuation happening in the short, then yeah, there's an entry for you. There's an entry for you here. So we're going to talk about that. And I know Jason Casper's on the same page. I think Bitman's on the same page. Right now, I mean, we can see a kind of swing failure pattern happening here. And we'll see. This is actually the 0.382 and not the 0.618. So exciting stuff. But what I first want to do is degen trade. So straight off the bat, just understand, Bitman needs a medal. He really does. He's absolutely killing it. Batman. Bitman. Check bake. There we go. This is what I want to hear. Check bake. So let me quickly note that. Check bake. I'm also going to check my HODL Fire indicator screener Telegram bot. So thank you to Wendy from BTC TAF. And guys, don't sleep on that. Guys and girls, don't sleep on that indicator. It is currently exclusively for Bybit users. It is called HODL Fire. And just contact me on Telegram if you want to use it. I'm going to check it now. And it's degen time. So right now, yeah, we're going to look at Sol. We are going to talk a lot about Sol. But right now, I want literally 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 3 minutes. I know some of you, Blaze even trades the 1 minute. I want to degen trade. I want to see some P&L. Let's go. Let's add to the P&L, whether it's a win or a loss. Last time, what did we cap? We capped a $60 win on the degen trade, thanks to Blaze. So Blaze, if you're in the building, it's hot. Yeah, Bitman is usually on point. And you know what? You'll start to doubt him just before. But that's when you should really start to understand, and it all makes sense. So thank you, Bitman. I hope you are live with us. Let's see. All right, so I hope you have all signed in. Please do remember, very important is to sign in. Now we have a new method, so you actually have to register for the campaign, the Art of Trading campaign, in order to win any bonuses. And please do fill the form. You can see there the code is Jordan Solo 3. But this is very important, and it's very important that you visit here because we have 2 Kahoot questions that are directly from this page. So please do take a look, take note of the dates, and smash the register. And right now, if you haven't, please do smash the likes. Please do smash the likes, and I love to just see how awesome the crew is. So what I'm going to do is bring this up. Oh, this is the wrong one. 1 second. Oh, there it is. So I see 42 likes. Thank you, everybody. This is how we push the algorithm. This is how we get bigger and better each time. And if you are on Facebook, drop us a comment, drop us a like. If you are on Twitter, drop us a retweet, a repost. Let's make it huge. We're going to the moon. And thank you to those 43 who have liked if you haven't. And I'll give 2 seconds now. So everybody, first visit the blog post. Make sure you register for their campaign. Make sure you fill in the form with the code. Then smash the likes for me. And I just love watching them go up. It's like almost like watching your portfolio go up when Bitcoin is pumping like it is. Alright, thank you very much. Much appreciated. Will Smith the like button. Thank you so much. Alright, Tia. Sol 15 minutes short. That is very degen. Nice profits, nice profits. We're taking it slow. We're taking it slow. Hey, Valentine is in the building, coming for the gold. Mr. Dennis, all the way from Russia. What's up, my brother? Do I need to have a Discord account? Very good question. So please, everyone, open up Discord. Open up Discord, and I'll quickly drop the link for our Discord Art of Live Trading channel. If you aren't already in. And that's where you can drop for me holistic trades that we can copy trade. holistic trade setups, and I have a few. I have about 5 that are looking like they're coming down to my little bullish entries. All right, so let's go. Let me know if you can see the link I just dropped, and I see so many comments coming in. So right now, degen trades, what are they? I'm going to show you how I degen trade, and this is obviously a little bit of reckless stuff just to have fun for entertainment purposes. So remember, just keep in mind this is for fun, and we use a tiny percent of our portfolio when we trade like this with high leverage. We use under 1% of our portfolio. So just keep that in mind. And what I do is I come to all of the coins that are on perpetual. I see what is pumped and what is dumped, just like Bonk. So Bonk, we're still in. That's exactly how I got this trade. It's exactly how I got this trade. I saw that Bonk had dumped, and it was coming up to test resistance, so I longed it. Now, Bonk has pumped, so let's look for the dumpers. And yes, Bitcoin has just done a turnaround, so some alts will lag. And what's crazy interesting is this. You all know I love this website, Altcoin Screener, on Blockchain Center. It's a German website. It is absolutely incredible. I've been using it for many years, and it called this altcoin pump. It called it. DCA bots crazy in profit, spot bots crazy in profit, and yeah, look at this. It was just telling us. It was telling us. And most of you know I hawk eye on this top 50 performing alts over the last 90 days. And a few days ago, we were trying to do TA on all of them, from the lowest performers up, because every single performer on here basically has incredible use cases, because there are so many alts, and these alts have been the top performers in the last 90 days. And what we can see here, I mean, it's pretty bullish for alts. Nothing in the red. There have been 90 altcoins that have made a profit in the last 90 days. Sorry, 50 altcoins that have made a profit in the last 90 days. And look at longs on Leo, longs on MNT, longs on XLM, long on Uni, long on HBAR. And there's also screeners we can use to tell us which shorts and which longs to take. We'll look at someone drop us a link if they have a good RSI screener. So we can see these altcoins, all of which are overbought or oversold. And right now this is a play. Start DCA SHIB, start DCA Uni, HBAR, XLM, because there's still room. You're obviously not going to hop into Sol. You're not going to hop into Rune now. Of course, if you are DCA like me, in big profits, you don't stop your DCA bot, because Sol's not going to stop either. I was looking at a 2027 prediction. I'll show you just now when we're talking about Solana. Solana at $250. I can wait a few years for that, for my Solana to be at $250. All right, Tia, long or short? Okay, so let's degen here. Let's degen here. So we're gonna look for dumpers, and I can see Beam has dumped. I've actually got a little thing for Beam. It has only dumped basically since it's been listed, but I just love, and of course this is no reason, but I just love their color spectrum there. I know zero use cases. So if you know about Beam, let me know. But it's looking like a possible low risk long. Of course, put your stop below the previous swing. If you get stopped out, that's that. But let's look for a more degen. Ooh, XRP is a bit down. Are we going to long XRP? Should we long XRP right now? This is the 4 hour. I'm going to jump to the 15 minute to see if we have a little bit of an entry. Not looking too good. Let's look at 5 minutes. Nope. 3 minutes. Alright, so who are the degens in the building? And what I'm going to do is actually go to HODLfire right now on my Telegram, in my trading group. And what it's telling us is 15-minute bottom pivot on GMT, 15-minute bottom pivot on STAR, 15-minute bottom pivot on SEI. Strong sell on Cake. Let's look at this. So someone dropped Cake. This is Cake directly from HODLfire. So Wendy, I mean, your dev here is amazing. And basically what they've said is strong sell on Cake on the 15 minute. So that's interesting. So should we test? That came out at 4:15 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. So let's just test this bot straight up. And yeah, let's not go too huge here. I think 10x is alright. Actually, what are we doing? We want to be degens, right? Let's max it out. Let's max it out and let's test this HODL fire. Alright, so we want to order by the cost of USDT because it's slightly easier. And let's just go for a straight $50. And remember, always, always, always enter. So let me just check, strong sell 15 minute. Always make sure you enter with the take profit and a stop loss. And the only time I really see pain ever is when people don't do this. Do this, do this, do this. Alright, so we can just start off with something simple. Remember, always risk to reward ratio of at least 1 to 3. 30 to 90. We confirm it. We make sure it is there. We make sure our value is correct. Make sure you're on hedge mode or whichever mode you like to be on. Make sure you're on cross if you want to be on cross. Start out on isolated if you're a newbie. But then we just open the short. And there it is. We can see our realized P&L, our fees. We can see our liquidation price is very nice and high because we're on cross. We're on cross, right? Yep. So very unlikely we'll hit $7 in the next few minutes, but we can see we're already in profit. We're already in profit. So we're testing out HODL fire. Let's go. What's our profit? $2. So let's go. We're already $3 in profit. And I don't know why people haven't been purchasing this indicator. It's made just for us. It's non-profit, so all profits go straight to the devs. And yeah, it's actually them just being paid. And let's test it out. Let's see. Look, it's looking so good. All right, so to not... All right, Pro Max, we will help you out, Pro Max. No stress. Don't spam, or we will have to time out. So just time out, Pro Max, but we will see to your case. I'm saving it right now. I'm starring it, so it's saved. All right. And feel free. You can message me on Telegram. If there's a problem, message me on Telegram. It's my handle. It's the one with the BTC symbol, my handle. Oh, okay, we're in a degen trade. So I think for the sake of time, let's leave it at that for now. Here it is. 8% profit. 11%. Okay, it's hopping around, but it's a degen trade and we're in. So let's look at it just now. It obviously depends what happens to BTC. Alright, so for now, does Rune look like it's overbought? Check it out. Very nice. And Rune, as we know, has gone up. We saw it right at the top of the altcoins, right? Here's Rune, 276% up in 90 days. So Trades by Real is a very smart trader here. Very, very smart trader. Where's our Rune now? Here it is. So, yeah. I mean, this is juicy. Let's enter this as well. And I'm kind of tempted to enter this on copy trading. It's just not exactly right, the entry for the 15 minute. But what we are seeing is this. A straight up bearish divergence on the 15 minute. And yeah, it's not really the right time frame to be trading these. But at least... basically, we would wait. We would wait. We would want this. We would want this. So Trades by Real, it's simple. You just wait for stochastic to come up. And this is going to happen. And then it's going to be a beautiful entry. So I'm even going to watch that for copy trading. And remember, I have $30 bonuses to give to 5 people who bring me the alpha. Alright, what's your thoughts on Gala? So Gala has been very good to us. And I have huge expectations for Gala. As you can see, it is one of my DCAs. And let's have a look at this DCA bot, because it is an absolute monster. It is in 57% profit. And I really hope that at some point we will add bot trading to our master trading account. So please all request it, even if it's now in the comments, but in the Telegram groups, just request for master trading to include bot trading. Because as you can see, I kill it. I kill it on the bots, and I would love to add it because it's so low risk and it would be so nice to master trade. We can see that the Sol is 161% in profit. Average buy price of 23. Current price of 62. And this is what we call patience, time in the market. And if we look at Gala, it's not bad either. It's almost like there's still time. There's still time. And I love Gala. I know the use cases. You know, Gala games, Gala gaming. It's all going to For those of you who are into gaming, you know that there is just this crazy amount of money flowing for such silly things. People buying weapons inside a game, so only to be used in a game, a weapon that costs $10,000. I mean, where else do we see that kind of silly money happening? NFTs, maybe. Alright, so what were we talking about here? Rune. Yeah, we're going to wait for that. We're going to wait for that. Let's get going. I think we've done a degen trade. Alright, what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to drop the Kahoot pin. So for those of you who might take a little bit of time to join and want to be sure, let's get the Kahoot going. And remember, please do drop your holistic trades in the Discord. Anything that I can open on copy trading, it would be awesome to open a few copy trading trades live. Alright, Kahoot link coming in. Please do smash the likes on the YouTube if you have not. I see there is 57. So thank you everybody for that. Kahoot link incoming. Here it is. So everybody right now, make sure you join the Kahoot and make sure that you check that announcement link. Let's quickly check on our degen trade. 20%. Wendy's Hodl Fire doing us just. Hey, look at this. This bot was created just for us because Wendy loves the Bybit crew. What are we in? Alright, we're looking about a $10 profit. Not bad. I'm not going to put my stop in profit just yet. But this looks like a goodie. Let's look at the 1 hour. This looks like a goodie. A little bit of patience involved here. Current P&L around $9. You can start to drag your stop loss down, but you know what I've learned through copy trading? Don't be too conservative. If you have an idea, if you have a signal such as the hodl fire, which is using 10 indicators, stick to your plan. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Very important. So let's go. Let's stick to it. What we can do, which I found to be very clever, is we can just now on this trade close at market 25%, which is only $2, but at least it puts us straight into a realized P&L of a plus. Is everybody with me? Even if it's just at the start of your trade, and then if you really are conservative, you just put your stop in profit. And now we've made something and there is no risk. Y'all know how I like it, and how I like it is zero risk, as little as possible, as little drawdown as possible. And now we are what I call Gucci. When everything is Gucci and we're looking good, it's all good, it's all Gucci. We can play with our limit orders. And of course, if we're going to trade this properly, we're just going to add a limit at 2.660. So we just throw a limit there. It's so easy. 2660. We want to close maybe 50%. We want to make sure it's on a post only. There's our limit order. We can also drag it around. You can see I'm placing it. Let me place it here, just in the middle of this kind of space on this wick. And that's how you have fun trading. So thank you, HODLfire. As you can see, I mean, what a lovely bot. That was one of 10 signals that it dropped in that message a few minutes ago. And it drops a message every few minutes. Alright. Am I missing anything? Link for the Kahoot. Let me drop it one more time. So I see we have 13 eager beavers dropping in. Let me drop it right here. Thank you, everybody. And as you can tell, it's just me today. For the first time, it's just me. So I'm sorry for that. You have a lot of my voice to hear. But yeah, let's move. So please do smash the likes. Let's have a look at some news. Alright, so the first news I want to look at are low odds. Oh, this Kahoot is giving us sound. Alright, low odds of the BTC Spot ETF being approved in 2023. And yeah, I mean, I have been seeing a few things coming out of smaller ETFs maybe being approved. I think I'm still hearing Kahoot. Oh, it's on my other screen. Give me 1 second. There we go. Alright, that's better. So there are little, I don't know, might call them rumors of ETFs being approved before 2023. But you know what? Officially, the expected dates are early 2024. There is a possibility. And you know what? We are likely to see explosive price action if this does happen, because it would mean a lot of money coming into the market. Even if it is an exchange traded fund, it's still linked. It's still linked. If all of this institutional wealth starts to come in, I do believe we're going to pump pretty parabolically, even for a little bit. And yeah, it's looking like early 2024. So it seems unlikely but possible. Possible that it might come through. Alright, and let's just have a look here at just how important this is. So for those of you who don't know, let's just have a look. Nice, 59 lives. Alright. An ETF is an exchange traded, or an ETF is exchange traded funds. Funds that trade on exchanges, generally tracking a specific index. This time will be Bitcoin. When you invest in an ETF, you get a bundle of assets that you can buy and sell. So yeah, you can basically buy Bitcoin on an advance if you are a huge company, which has never happened before. And this is what's so bullish. I mean, look at this. This is, I don't know, obviously sources you have to go and confirm for yourself. But this is a source that some of us know to be pretty cool. And what we're seeing here is crypto experts project how high a BlackRock ETF can push the Bitcoin price. And BlackRock, we literally see the date. Let's just look. BlackRock expected ETF approval. There we go. Approved by SEC by the first quarter of 2024. They're running out of options to not approve it by first quarter. And what we're seeing here, recent estimates suggest a spot Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock, so just one of the first ones to be approved, could propel the Bitcoin market by 70%. So if you think DCA bots are anywhere now, it's nothing yet, which is why you don't stop your DCA bots. That's buying the dip. That's a concurrent strategy, but it's different. DCA bots are at regular intervals. You don't stop, or you don't get the average smile curve. And what we can see is we're not even in an altcoin season yet. If we are here, altcoins are going to be flying. Flying. And they literally say here $54,000 at the approval of the BlackRock. And this is obviously just an estimate, not financial advice. How do you get access to HODLfire? Alright, so it's exclusively to Bybit users. They are an official Bybit affiliate. So all you need to do is DM me, Mr. Devault. And well done on your recent progressions with CBT. Very, very proud to be affiliated. Not a newsman. Oh, maybe it's my tone. But yeah, I miss Leonard on the FA. I love to do the TA. Alright, so there we go. It's looking pretty bullish. A lot of buzz here on the ETF. And, I mean, I like to take it as it comes. Alright, 59 likes. I don't want to get too much into this nitty gritty. See if I've missed out anything. So, there we go. BlackRock has officially confirmed its plans for spot Ethereum. I mean, look at that. So now, as I've said, if BlackRock's BTC ETF gets officially filed, and for those of you who don't know, it basically means institutions who were not able to buy Bitcoin because it didn't make sense for their balance sheet, they would end up buying a year in advance, they would pay too much legal fees, all of them can now buy it if these ETFs come through, and they can buy it on an advance of huge amounts and actually pay it off in the profits. So yeah, ETFs are a very, very bullish thing. And now we see BlackRock officially planning for Ethereum. And then of course in the future, maybe, not now, but maybe XRP, etc, etc, etc. So remember, FA always comes first, because if you're a bear and BlackRock gets approved, we don't know when it's going to be, It's going to happen like that. Probably it will be on Twitter first, that some kind of person will leak it. But we're going to see parabolic price action. So DCA is your friend. Limit orders low. In one of the beginner sessions, I set limit orders all the way on Bitcoin down to 10,000. Just in case we see a black swan like previous bear bull market catalysts. You want to buy that ladder, and you want to weight it low. And you want to be positioned very low risk. It's even why staking is so nice right now. Because even though you might think, okay, a 6% or a 10%, or even now, yeah, 10% on USDT lending, you might think it's low. Say your Ethereum staking, or your Bitcoin staking, or your ADA staking. But if they go up 70%, then all of your staking profits also go up 70%. There we go. FA is definitely a must. So some people will say maybe just FA or TA, but no. I always say both. Both. Alright, 1 week time. So it could be 1 week and we pump. Who knows? Alright, Gibson, in fact it is not 60. So that's probably on the YouTube, very, very nice. But I see here on StreamYard 90 plus. I saw 96, almost 100 just now. So we are killing it. And yeah, please do drop the likes, drop the shares on whichever platform you're looking at. I see we have 26 in the Kahoot. I know lots of us do save our battery to the last minute. There is the link once again. Alright, so let's talk about Sol. And right now, if you have anything to say about Sol, let me know. Was anyone short? Is anyone wrecked? I know some of us were, and I'm sorry about that. But just remember, and I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why Sol pumped so hard, and why Sol was one of my heavy-weighted DCAs. And you know what? I will give you a bonus directly, right now. Anyone who can tell me one of the 4 reasons why I went so heavy into Sol, one of the 4 reasons, the catalysts, that Sol pumped so hard to $63 from around $20. What happened? 4 reasons right now. Black swan. What a beautiful question. Explain a black swan. So let me quickly show you on the charts what a black swan event looks like. So here we see BTC on the 4 hour. Let's jump to BTC on the weekly. So we're zooming out. We're zooming all the way out. And what we see is some very interesting comparisons happening now to our previous bear market, which was this. In essence, this was the end of the bear market, and this was a black swan dip down to very low prices. What we're seeing now is this kind of turnaround price action, and we might just see a black swan, and Bitman will be rich if this happens. Jason Casper too, I mean, he's short from the equivalent of there, which right now, of course, is here. If we had to see World War III breakout, I know Trader Giants is really on the FA, on the news, on some really dark stuff in the world economy. And remember, FA is really positive now for crypto. But just remember how the markets work. If something really bad happens, fear will come into the market. People will capitulate. If people need money, if inflation shoots up, they might even take money out of crypto and capitulate. And this could cause what we call a black swan sell-off, down to beautiful levels where the whales will buy. Which is why my limit orders are all the way down to 10,000 and I will not change them. And actually, I would like to add limit orders all the way down to 0. Because we don't know what's going to happen. Remember COVID. I mean, wars break out like that. And yeah, people get very, very scared. And if you can buy here, and then we enter a bull market to go up to all-time highs and price discovery, that is the whale move. That is 240% on Bitcoin, thousands of percent on altcoins. So, OWAM, you deserve a bonus. Send me your UID. Beautiful question. Thank you for that. Scalping short, Starl. Very nice. There we go. So yes, basically one of the 4 major catalysts, John, was what we call ETF FOMO. So people now are realizing that if the ETFs come out, Bitcoin will skyrocket, and so will everything else. And Solana was low. If we just look at where Sol was, I mean, many of us were eyeing it. Many of us had what we call the smile curve in mind, and it's only the beginning, but we are already smiling. Because if we were DCA for the last, how long? May 2022. Ooh, there's a stop. There's a stop. So it looks like our take profit has just gone off. Look at that. HODL Fire never ceases to impress. And it's AI. It's machine learning. It is no joke, this indicator. And it's literally dirt cheap because there's no profit involved. It's a product. We have to pay the devs because they work hard. But look at that. I opened on a signal, which you know is not the way to trade. But the way we use this is for confluence. What are we sitting at? Unrealized of 8. Realized of 10. No risk at all. Sitting at a 44%. So I don't know if there could ever be a better advert right there. And you know what? It's not even an advert because, as I say, it is not for profit. It is just to give back because look how brilliant it is. Look how brilliant it is. I mean, isn't that amazing? XRP pumping, interesting. Alright, so if you want a prize, please do remember to register for the event. Fill out the form. We will choose random winners and we will also, I will choose those who bring me the alpha. So I think, let's see. I think Wendy deserves one for creating HODL Fire. Let me just say that. Because look at that. She actually gave us our degen trade. She gave us our degen trade today. And I know it's probably the middle of the night for her right now in Australia. Alright, so quite close. There was CPI pumpage with Solana. But let me see. Someone answered first. Alright, let me see. Sold to 65. Because its team kept working. So that is number 2. That is number 2. Crypto Mana. Crypto Mana, $30. Unless someone else said that first. But basically, there has been constant waves of development. Literally, crypto, Solana festivals that cost in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So the team is not struggling at all. They are developing. They're cruising. So that's 2. We had ETF FOMO. We had lots of development, right? So what is the 3rd? What is the 4th? What is the... There's 2 more. There's 2 more. There's 2 more. I want to see it. News BlackRock. World War 3. Yeah, scary. Why did Sol pump? Why did Sol pump? Alright, true. There's a lot of technical analysis. True. On the cloud. TA, of course, always, but I mean FA. What was the FA and why did it pump? We've got 2 bonus winners already. Let's see. Matic! Part of my DCA. Also what I'm looking for a long. So thank you for that. The launch of Beta Gamefish on Sol. Well done, Tree King. So I'll take that. There was a lot of DeFi activity. So DeFi, decentralized finance, running on Solana. The movement of funds, the buying and selling of NFTs. There we go, Beta Game Shift, as Tree King has said. So we already have... There's one more. Positive development, surging DeFi activity, and the ETF FOMO. One more, and it's in your face. Yeah, please don't spam. Jess is exactly like me. She'll kick you out very quick. Oh man, I'm loving this cake trade. Hey, it just means that you can sit at your computer, trade off HODL Fire, and be profitable consistently. And that's what I'm going to start doing some of the time for my copy trading. Because as we can see, I mean, wow. Not a bad signal. All risk off the table. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Azir Num. You're being added to the winners, and I think that might even max out our winners for now, but I think well deserved. Did anyone catch that grok pump? Grok. Do those of you know what grok is? It's a very cheeky form of ChatGPT, TradeGPT, that has been created by Elon Musk. There's also now a coin called grok. And yeah, a lot of AI involved. Wait, who got that? Azir Num. So Azir Num, just be sure to send me your UID, whether it's in the Discord or yeah, anywhere in Telegram, because that's it. So when the SBF trial happened and even the FTX crash, so the crash and then the trial, it caused a lot of dumpage on Solana, because Solana was part of, basically, when you diversify a portfolio, a lot of people will put a certain amount into Bitcoin, a certain amount into Ethereum. Then they will take kind of a similar amount and they'll put it into 10 different altcoins. And then they'll take a smaller amount and they'll put it into 20 different altcoins, all depending on which ones have the biggest potential. And, oh, did I close that Solana prediction? There was a Solana prediction. Give me 1 second. Here it is. Here it is. So look at this. So this is a little prediction year by year using AI. And what we can see is not much change in 2024. Maybe even pullback. 2025 starts going up a little bit towards the end of the year. Then 2026 and 2027, we see possible prices of a $250 Solana. And yeah, if you check other AI on other coins, the predictions aren't like this. Solana is one of those big 10 that people buy a lot of, because yeah, it's got the use cases. It works really well. It is its own ecosystem. And I don't even want to think about 2030 when we're looking at literally, sure, I mean, close to $1,000 Solana. Yeah, which is like huge. So anyway, we've got our 4 reasons now for the Sol pump. Very, very nice. I think, sure, we need to move into BTC TA. We are moving heavily through time. INJ looking bullish. And then we have short INJ. Take a look at INJ. Alright, so let's take a look at INJ for our holistic. But first, before we even do that, smile curve. Never forget the smile curve. Yo, we are smiling. Oh, we are smiling on Solana. You've seen my DCA bot. You have not seen my spot holdings from literally this entire section. As I say, DCA is one, but also a strategy is buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Every time your RSI gives you the reading, you buy a little bit, and a little bit, and be prepared for the drawdown. And then it can only take, let's see, this is the weekly, it only takes 56 days. And the whole, let's see, 56 days to turn every single DCA or buy the dip buy in the last 500 days into profit. This is the market we're in. This is why we're in crypto, because you won't find that in Forex. You just won't. And I know no one will fight me on that. But let's do BTC. So I want to hear it from the group. I have so much to say on BTC. I can talk now for hours on BTC. So let me hear it from the group in the Discord or right now in the chat. This is the 1 hour chart, and we can see, yeah, very simple stuff happening, and actually very nice, very bullish. You can see the bull flag playing out, and we can see a simple fib. I'll show you how I drew this fib. Very easy, simple. We see there's a trend that turned around right here, so we pull it out. And of course there are lots of different ways to draw this fib. Look for your ceiling, your most touch points, and what we see is, yeah, beautiful golden pocket entry. Jason Casper got it. I don't know if Bitman went long. I know Bitman's heavily short and maybe even adding to shorts here. But if anything, now, if there's a level to get into, which, yeah, I really want to look at, because, yeah, let me not confuse the newbies here. Let's take it slow. But if this now is a completed trend, let's take it from here to here, then just look where this golden pocket 0.618 is sitting, and we can see how it's at a key level that we dumped from and retested. So there is a short entry. There is this play. When it comes up to here, we need to realize that we don't just enter. On this time frame, we look for the bearish divergence. So we want to see more of a pump here. We want to see lower momentum here, right? While price action is going up And this is the concept of a bearish divergence. And I would recommend, and I've learned this directly from Jason Casper, who's one of the most profitable traders I have ever had the absolute pleasure of meeting and becoming friends with in my life. I mean, he made $800,000 in 6 months of trading. Yeah, very, very cool. So there's a little bit of a short play, and there's just so much confluence. We can see the support and resistance flip. That's where I got my beautiful entry. And yeah, now we could come back up to retest it to basically make a lower high here and go further down. But of course, in our analysis, we need to zoom out. And let me speed through what I have to say, because oh my word, I've got some notes for the crew. And I see we are still strong, just under the 100 mark across our platform. So I'm just going to keep going. If you're bored, no stress. If you are saturated, no stress. But we're going to keep going. Bearish divergence on 4 hour. Love it. Really? So on 4 hour, I'm seeing a hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bull. A little bit scary. Lots of us know this is what we call a trigger wave. A trigger wave, which will often act like this. And yeah, we could continue this now for a big pump up to the 6.8. Juicy short entry. So what I'm actually going to do, this is how we do it. For those who want to learn, yeah, the sniping methods, the way it's done, we simply take a horizontal line or a trend line or anything. Let's take the horizontal line at the 0.618 golden pocket on this current trend. And this could be nice. We're not going to set a limit order. We're going to set an alert so that we wake up. If it's 3 in the morning, if it's the Asian market open, we wake up and we get the trade, because I'm sick of missing trades. Alright, so at this level, we just right click on it. We add an alert and we just say golden pocket. Confirm divs. And I would say literally, we're looking at least 15 minute. This is the 4 hour. So 15 minute div, 12 minute div, and 3 minute bearish divergences. That's what I'm going to look for at that level. And now I've got a notification. So if we pump up to this level, I'm going to look for divergences on Market Cipher. And we can see here I'm recommending the 15-minute time frame. So if we do pump there, still a lot of price action has to happen till then. But we could see something like momentum coming down. We see a little bit of a bullish divergence. Then we go up. And if there is a bear at the right time, in the 15-minute, the 12-minute, literally the 3-minute, all together, then we enter. And we don't enter if not, because we could just go to the moon. The way everything's looking, yeah, we could pump pretty hectically at any time. So you don't want to be hopping in too hard. Alright, so let's take it step by step here. The first thing to do is, of course, to zoom out to the weekly. We might have to clean up charts here a little bit. But yeah, we see weekly market structure looking great. Looking so bullish. I mean, in terms of market structure, this is what we want to see. You can see here we got the low. We got the higher high, we got the higher low, we got the higher high, we got the higher low, we got the higher high, we got the higher low. Now we got the higher high. Now we're very likely to get the higher low. And then why not get the higher high? And something crazy that I want to show you is this fixed range volume profile. So let me just clean these up. And these are golden levels that I'm going to have to put back. But for the sake of simplicity, let me show you this. So this is a very simple indicator. It is called the fixed range volume profile. And this is the weekly time frame on BTC on the Bybit chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a fixed range volume profile from the entire bull market and our bear market all the way to where we are now. And look how bullish this is. We went below the value area. We went nuts. We aped in. And now we've entered back in to the value area. We're moving up from the value area low. So let me recap. Value area high of range. Value area high of range on the weekly, sitting at 57,000. What does that align with? The prediction for the BlackRock ETF pump. And that's no coincidence. It's what we call confluence. And what a take profit. What a take profit on any long. If we get a push to the SR flip and we get a long here, 72% on Bitcoin, as they said in that spot ETF BlackRock prediction. And it's very likely that we first hit 47. I mean, everyone's looking at this 47 level. And it's why? It's the POC of the value area range. It's the magnet. I see Bitman is dropping some alpha. What's up, my brother? Let me check what Bitman is saying. And yeah, Bitman's been killing it. So well done, brother. But yeah, we can see how simple this value area range is on the fixed range volume profile. And just how important it is. Alright, so let me just quickly finish off my little TA here. Let's go. Alright, so we are looking at a possible final pullback here before an altcoin season actually kicks in. From the altcoin screener, we can see that it's not altcoin season yet. And BTC is looking like it needs maybe a slight pullback for a higher low, then a higher high. So this could be our final entry for altcoin longs that could just keep going and we never see that price again. It could be our last pullback for an altcoin season. No matter how far we go, it might be our last opportunity to just buy some alts at some prices. Because as we can see, I mean, altcoins are just going nuts. Solana 194%, CAS 168%, INJ 150%, Link, one of my DCAs, 150% in 90 days, Avalanche up 90%, EGLD, Aave, FTM, Matic. It doesn't stop. This is just the beginning if it is an altcoin season. Alright, let me go through the chat. May have already been priced in. Alright, so some very interesting news there. But I do believe, sure, if it does get announced, we'll see it happening. Lower highs, looking for the lower highs. Exactly, so that's the short. Thank you for that, Miguel. If we do see lower highs, that's the short. And let me show you my close-up analysis again. On the 1 hour, or the 4 hour is quite nice. But here it is, lower highs for a confirmed bear trend. Lower highs, thank you, Bitman. I'm just going through the chat. Gibson, loving it. Please check ETH. Alright, so yeah, ETH hit 2,000 again and dropped. So beautiful short. And yes, welcome Jess to the moderation. Oh, she never ceases to impress. Alright, IMF. Can replace cash. Interesting. TRB long again. I love the love. Yeah, Jason Casper is the absolute GOAT. Greatest of all time. BTC might dump, definitely. BTC might, definitely might. Dump to 34. You can see that's exactly what I just drew there. So yes, I'm with you. I'm with you, Liquidator. And let's liquidate the market. Let's not get liquidated. Oh, really? No, I believe Trades by Real is fully pivoted into crypto. Or almost. Yeah, it's starting to look bearish. BTC is starting to look bearish. Because what we see here is like, it's threatening now a break of structure. It really, really is on these time frames. And of course, yeah. I don't want to spend too much time on that. INJ, awesome. Smile curve is the way to win. Alright. I saw Grok listed. Exactly, the hackathons. So the hackathons and stuff is what I meant, you know, with the actual, literally dev activity, the festivals, etc. Let me have a sip. Aave on the 1 hour looking bullish. So Aave on the alt screener. Yeah, it's a little bit high. I'm going to SHIB, HBAR, Uni, XLM, MNT for longs. And if we look at my TA on alts, We're not even done with Bitcoin yet. Oh my word, but it's actually just here in my alerts. Because you'll see that I've got an alert here, obviously on Bitcoin for that next short. But I also have an alert on DOT for machine learning. Have an alert on ADA for a long. Oh, and like, just look at this. So I was asleep at this moment. But this was the level. I wrote ADA juice zone long, right? ADA juice zone. I was asleep. What time was this? Can't see the time on this chart. What time was this? Look at this price action. 6 p.m. on Tuesday. So I may have been preoccupied in a meeting or whatnot. But I got the alert and I saw it. And had I entered on copy trading or whatnot on a 10x, it's 10% up, which is 100% profit. And it just shows that this way of trading is good. This way of trading is profitable. You plan the trade, you trade the plan. See how we identified it? We waited a long time for this to be broken. We identified it that we would retest it. Look at this wick. And we did. And we missed it. But anyway, we've got DOT. We've got DOT. I just want Laurentian basically to tell me on the daily. Laurentian is my machine learning helper. And it hasn't printed the long yet. It hasn't printed the long. It looks like DOT could destroy. And yeah, 91% win rate on the last 12 trades. It has lost one trade, this indicator. So when I enter a copy trading trade, I make sure there is so much confluence that it almost can't go wrong. And then too often I get nervous and stop myself out too early. So now I'm going to start putting my money where my mouth is. And basically I'm going to wait for a little bit of a dump back below. We can see this Laurentian takes so many indicators and it turns it into one line. And when that line properly breaks and retests, it prints these beautiful high probability trades. And it has not printed the long yet. I do believe it will dump a little bit back down to a beautiful level. This curve will start to come down. Price action will break it. It's going to print a long on this high win rate. And as that prints, I had better be awake. Or it had better wake me up. Because DOT is going to destroy. Alright, we've also got Doge. Casually breaking out of this huge daily channel that it's been rejected in so many times. It's retesting it. Look at the long. It's already in and it's already closed out. And most of us who know this indicator will know that we never close the full Laurentian. We always leave something in the trade because these Laurentian longs, this could be it. We could maybe never see these prices again on Doge, which is why I'm very tempted to just go in. But instead, I'll wait. You can see I have a Doge juice zone right down here. So if we hit this zone where my juice zone is, and right now I'm going to bring it a little bit up, just to there. If I get this, I believe we might see this fake out now back below to that level, and then boom, and that would be a nice one if the bullish divergences are there. Are we on a 200%? What is happening with our degen trade? Oh no, we're still chilling. That's the Bitcoin trade. Bonk 660%, Bitcoin 189, Cake 27. We are not doing bad, and we will start copy trading more and more. Anyway, let me finish off my BTC analysis here. I'm getting distracted by Doge. We're also looking at XLM. We're also looking at LTC. Loom, I'm giving a break because I think it's a little bit manipulated. It just swings down to hit stop losses and swings back up, and I'm over it. It's like a little bit, I think, manipulated. Yeah, so same thing here. I'm going to wait. I'm going to bring my juice zone now a little bit up just so I get alerted. And I'll start nibble entry there on LTC. Alright, so let me see what I'm forgetting here. Let's have a look at BTC on the 4 hour. Quick value area recap. Sure, this is a long stream. I thought it would be shorter, but it seems I lagged on the news a bit there. Alright, so let's check out HODL Fire just to see what's happening here. Oof, caught the long. HODL Fire caught the short. This is scary how an indicator can give you that. 7% on the 4 hour time frame. And then it can give you the pivot to enter the long of 5%. And of course, this is just for confluence. We don't enter onto an indicator. Let's see, Laurentian. More conservative. Oof, it caught it. It caught it at the retest. Oh, yes. And closed it out at 3%. And you know what? These indicators are so helpful because then you look at everything else and you say, what happened there? What else could I have seen? Not the indicator. That would have helped me. Alright, but of course, fixed range volume profile has been our friend. Our absolute friend lately. So let's have a look. 4-hour time frame, so bullish. We are right now above the value area high. And this means, of course, we could easily just push back down to the POC, which would be super juicy for the bears. Like myself, you see I'm in a Bitcoin trade of, 300% profit currently. 170% profit currently. If we dump, it will obviously be nice. That's why I've left a little bit in the trade. You can see a minimal amount. Very conservative at the moment. But yeah, it is bullish that we're above it. Because if we actually now claim it, we might just start a new value area. So all of our eyes are on this level here. If we do make a lower low and we come back into this range, it's so likely that we'll go to the POC. And look at this key support at 34. Bottom of the range all the way down at 33. And then we can start thinking about the long. But man, let me know if you agree. Alright, 4 hour. Of course, we looked at the fibs. Market cipher B. Yeah, always keep in mind. Alright, 34k, we could see a little bit of a pump there. Yeah, and what's bullish here is if we look at this daily candle. Oof, we need to see if it closes above. And right now it looks like it's just struggling to close above. So keep your eyes on that daily. And yeah, just remember this trend line. Where's my beautiful trend line that I had? Because this is it. This is it. Jason Casper doesn't that often look at trend lines. But when he does, he just has about one. And Sheldon will do the same thing. And he'll show us next week. And this is it. This is it right now. So of course, these are the shorts. And you know, this shows us that you don't just ape into a position. You nibble into a position. And you make sure your liquidation is as far away as possible, which is why cross is nice. And then, yeah, if your idea is right, as Bitman was, you catch the 5% dump, quick sharp. And this, let me tell you, this trend line is easy stuff. I mean, this is beginner stuff, this trend line. It's simple. Look at this. All of those candle bodies are touching it, right? Look what happened. There it is. It sent us up. So even if you entered right here, you add to your trade. And yeah, there's the 5% long that a lot of traders are in. I'm stepping back right now a little bit from the market. I want a little bit of direction. But if anything, here it is. You could literally start a short position here, wait for the 0.618, add to it, take profits at the trend line, see if it breaks, possibly even long at the trend line. But if anything, wait for the POC for the long or the bottom of the range. So yeah, I'm loving the charts right now. I could literally just keep streaming live and trading because look how much money is flowing. Look at the movement in Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Alright, so I've been speaking a lot. Bitman, have I missed anything? Let me see. Dylan's in the building. There's Mr. Bitman. What's your thoughts on meme? Yeah, so I actually took some profits on the meme coin. I think some of you saw my meme trade. I decided to close it out. We might be able to short now, so let's have a look. So there is some, I got the long, which was awesome. But we see a short happening here because this is 1 hour. Look at this. Full on bearish divergence. So let's quickly look at meme. And who dropped this? Dylan from South Africa. Thank you, brother. Alright, so there it is. Market cipher. Momentum coming down. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Bearish divergence. Dylan, not bad, not bad. Everything looking pretty bearish. 1 hour, I'd probably wait for stochastic to come up. Let's quickly skip to 15 minutes. Stochastic is high. Sure, we've got a massive bearish divergence. We've got market cipher giving us consistently lower momentum here. while our price action is consistently going up. This is like actually a tempting copy trade. So what I'm going to do here is check on the larger time frames what the machine learning is telling us. And Dylan, I'm going to add you to the winners. It's going to be so hard to choose winners this time. It's always my worst task because I want to reward you all. And you never know, maybe one day we'll have a stream where I can award everyone who's in the stream. Alright, so Dylan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to have to do a random selector between those who have given me alpha. Alright, so nothing on the daily here. Not enough information. So we're just going to go smoothly down the time frames. We can see 12 hour is on RSI overbought and stochastic. 6 hour overbought. 4 hour Bybit hodl fire printing a pivot. We saw what happened with the hodl fire pivots on Bitcoin, right? It hasn't printed this short, but the early entry on hodl fire is actually the pivot. And let's see what the win rate is here. Oh, so no trades opened yet. But look at the last pivot. Right? Okay, so Dylan, this could be extremely juicy. Let's have a look at... Yeah, so I've got HODLfire and Lorentzian open here. That's 2 machine learning indicators. And I've got my RSIs open. I've also got my market cipher B. And now we're going to go down the time frames. We see the bearish divergence structure. Absolutely, so I love this. And if you want to know the exact price action, just hit auto. And you can see that I was actually squashing it. This coin is a little bit overextended right now. And as we know, the machine learning catches it at the breakthrough here, but maybe we're even early there. So Dylan, I think I'm going to enter a copy trade here. Because Bitcoin might also go down. Right? So we had a long there. On the lower time frames. Woo! This is like scary. So there we have a long printed on the 24-minute Lorentzian. Interesting. Closed the long on the 15. Five minutes coming down. So usually I'd wait, but what we can do is we nibble it. Whoa, look at bonk. And cake. So what we're going to do is we're going to nibble the entry. So let me quickly switch to my master trading account. And Dylan, I mean, I'm proud of you. I'm very proud of you. I really hope this coin is on copy trading. Let's see. Alright, my copy trading account, 13 followers active. $1,300 being followed, 500 in my own account. Meme coin, let's go. There it is, 15% up. Alright, so of course, if we want to snipe an entry, but look what's happening on the 15, and I'm loving this stochastic movement here. RSI could pump a bit more, but let's nibble it. So we're going to go cross, we're going to confirm. We're going to keep our leverage low on a coin that is literally named meme. The definition of a meme coin. So we're going to go into 3x. Remember, we're building slowly, we're compounding. Cross 3x. We're going to order by the USDT cost. Alright, and let's not miss this. So let's just order on a $2. And all that means is if we pump a little bit more, I'm going to add to it. If we go into profit, I'm going to take the profits. I'm going to make sure there's an initial take profit and stop loss. We can always just move this around. But initial will save you. If you're on cross, it is absolutely essential to enter with an initial stop loss. And let's go. Copy trading trade initiated. 13 followers active. If Bitcoin dumps here, it's going to be lovely. You'll see where my stop is. Quite high above the previous swing high. And we can easily see what we're risking. Bybit tells us at our stop loss we are risking 60 cents. We are currently in about just under $4 profit. So it's okay to risk 60 cents for now. And because Bitcoin might still go up to hit that golden pocket, we could still possibly see a little bit of a higher high here. So I don't want to get stopped out too soon if we then come down. And yeah, I will add all my limit take profits because we don't mess around when we copy trade. But for the sake of time, I think it is go time for our Kahoot. There is the holistic trade. Dylan, beautiful. So it's time for the Kahoot. And Dylan, let us know if you want to help us as an ambassador at our Cryptopia sponsorship in South Africa coming up on the 24th of November. We would love one more. We already have 4 Rangers helping us. We'd love one more in full Bybit gear. We are a gold sponsor. Alright, Kahoot time is imminent. I only see 29. But I've been talking. So now is the time. Now is the time. Let's move. Alright, our P&L is gone because I switched. No stress. Alright, so let me know in the chat. One thing I always like to hear while we're hopping on to the Kahoot. Who is in profit? Who is in loss? Right now, who is in profit? Who is in loss? So many awesome comments. Let's go. Let me drop the Kahoot link one more time and go through the chat a bit. I must take a sip before my voice disappears. Give me 1 second. And please all hop onto the Kahoot. Now is the time. Now is the time. And Jess, please do drop my copy trading link one more time for any of those who want to get in on the next trade. And you've seen I've been taking very small break evens, and Gala gave us a 35% smash. Alright, let me take a sip quickly before I can no longer speak. One minute for the Kahoot network bag, no stress. I will give 2 minutes for the Kahoot. John, 4 minutes is a bit much. Was in loss, Sido, no stress. Pragati is in profit. Yeah, and Pragati is in profit on my copy trading. So, where is my Bybit account now? We just entered this trade. So I'm not going to add to it unless we come up to about here. Then I'm going to add. And then I'm not going to add unless we come up to about here. And then if we get stopped out, I'm just going to get stopped out. But if we do come down from there, it's going to be very juicy. And as we can see here, if we go to my trader center, we go to my followers, or actually let's go to my profile, and we'll see that Pragati is now my leading follower. And yeah, this is being in the right place at the right time, but well done, you are my leading follower. And you might think, what is 40 cents? But we're compounding, we're taking it slow, we're not getting wrecked. If we look at 90 days, we see big wins, we see tiny break-even losses. So this is my strategy, be aware of it. If you want to join in, hop in. I'll even give you a $50 trading bonus to follow me. Alright, let's see. Only 52 in the Kahoot. I see 91 currently watching across all of our platforms. 94 now. So Kahoot is imminent. I know we can't post Kahoot link to Twitter. You know what? I'm going to quickly hop on Twitter and I'm going to manually post the Kahoot link. I don't know what Elon is doing. And Elon, if you're watching, please can you sort out your Twitter so that it can link your X, so that it can link as nicely as Facebook links, as nicely as YouTube links. But yeah, let me quickly do that. And please, everyone hop on. I only see 53 in the Kahoot. Why is that? Alright, let me quickly drop this comment of the Kahoot link. There it is. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't start it again. Uh-oh. Might have to use a new link. Oh my word. Okay, no stress. We move. So everybody who was already on, just leave and refresh. Please follow the new link I've just dropped. Apparently Kahoot did not like that I refreshed there. So the new link that I have just dropped, this is the link. This is the link. And I see 94 likes or reactions on Facebook. Thank you, everybody. Shout out to Emma Udin. Shout out to Gauss Pierre. Shout out to Bakshi Ahmed. Shout out to MD Habib. Shout out to Joseph. Shout out to Geeta Vishwas. Shout out to Great Friday. Shout out to Ranger Keith. Oh, Facebook, what a vibe. When we connect to Facebook, it actually creates an event that you can RSVP to. And yeah, remember everyone, go to the blog post. Please, please, do me a personal favor. Go to our blog post. Make sure that you register and fill in the form. And I see everybody is hopping into the Kahoot. So thank you for that. Follow the new link. Always a learning. I cannot refresh this page. Alright, we are imminent. We are imminent. Let me know. I see 34. I will give 3 minutes because of my little bit of a refresh failure there. Let's have a look at our copy trade. Alright, currently going into a little bit of profit. We have not even realized 1 cent yet. Not even in a 1 cent on fees. Very nice. And we're only at a $2 margin. Not even 1 cent profit yet. So actually what would be nice is if we just come up a little bit. As I say, BTC hits that golden pocket, we add to our trade, we go down. And I'm going to be a little bit more confident in my trading now. As you can see, the break-evens, all of the break-evens on copy trading have then gone on to hit 100% plus ROI. And I'm just done kicking myself. Alright. Who's here? I see 39. I'll drop the link one more time. It is a new link, so I think you would have been kicked out of the previous one. And how juicy was that degen trade? So I think what we're going to have to do here is hop back to my other account and quickly check in on that degen trade. 33%, just sitting pretty. Hodl fire, you rock. You rock. So what I'm going to do is, now that we see a swing failure starting, all we do is that we bring our stop down and we just secure more profits. We even hit a trailing stop. But for now, I'm just going to put that there. And then, yeah, easy. We've only got $18 left. So we just set a limit order at 2,640. Somewhere around there, we can just drag it around. Only platform is Bybit that lets you do that. So yeah, we can even any amount. Just make sure you click post only. And we want to take another 50% profit. And there's our TP. And we just drag it here to where the juice is. Just below the juice. We can see here is support. And we're going to take another 50% profit there. We already realized 9 and we're in 4. And I mean, that's a degen trade that we just entered on a signal from Hodl Fire. Absolutely impressive. Alrighty, 43. Still lacking a little bit. But you know what? Most of you are probably very happy that there's not that many in the Kahoot this time. Because it is seriously tough. Bitman, glad to see you there. So remember. There we go. There it is. We got our profits. So thank you, Hodl Fire, for giving us the degen trade. Thank you, Wendy. Alright, lovely stuff. It's that easy to make $15, and it can be fun. Alright. So remember, Kahoot is about speed and accuracy. Speed, yeah it is. It's a nice indicator, let's be honest. That 44%, I'll have a look at what our average P&L was now, and I'll drop the screenshot in the groups, the snapshot. But yeah, that indicator just smashed it. Like in the moment where we wanted to degen trade, I looked at the bot. It gave us a sell. We sold. And yeah, we made like 44% profit. Something like that. Can't join yet. Let us know if you've come right. Phone's low. Oh no. 150% win then. Oh no. Oh, you'll get there. I know you love to go in. Hard. So Devolp, yes, testing, perfecting. That's the way we go. That's what I like to hear. When are we starting the quiz? In 1 minute. In 1 minute we are starting the quiz. I just want to push it up to at least, let's go, 65. Why are we not joining? Let me see if it did post to Facebook. Let me see if the comment did post to Facebook. Oh, I can go from here. Oh, what I'll do also. I'll drop the Kahoot pin in our communities. There we go. That's a good idea, isn't it? And I know this has been a long stream. So thank you for those who have stuck with us. You can tell that I'm just loving these streams more and more. I do not like to be here alone. I miss Leonard and I miss Sheldon. But I'm sure very soon we're going to have Bitman up here. Alright, so let me quickly comment. Wow, 94 likes on Facebook. Very, very cool. And I see the comments are being posted on Facebook. So yeah, Elon really needs to sort out his X over there. 57, we're almost there, we're almost there. I'm sorry for those who are running out of battery. I'm sorry for those who are needing to pee. Alright, when did you start making consistent gains on trading? Like what year of trading? Oh, so for my story, for those of you who know me, like I literally did get wrecked because I was following, you know, just moon boys basically. Yeah, and I had been trading spot for about 7 years when I started trading leverage, and I was very, very successful on spot. Spot had helped me fund some of my businesses in other sectors. So I was becoming confident, and then I went into leverage, and of course I went straight to 100x, and I wrecked about $5,000 very quickly of my hard-earned money from spot. Let me tell you, making money on spot, you work hard. And I wrecked it very quickly, and then I found the Bybit communities. Then I started making profit. So I can tell you the exact date that everything turned around. And it was when I entered the communities. And yes, I was very lucky. I got contacted by Bybit because of my volume and my win rate, etc. And they told me, you know, do you want to run the South African community? And, you know, some stories happen like that. You have to know when to see the opportunity and when to take the opportunity. And now, I mean, yeah, Bybit has always been my love. Bybit is the absolute McLaren of exchanges. You know, it is not your Audi or your Renault. It is your absolute top tier high leverage exchange. And it is the community that saved me. My P&L, you can literally see it on my P&L, on my historic Bybit account, which I'm still using. The P&L goes down $5,000. I enter the communities and it starts coming up. It is now, I don't even want to tell you, after that initial $5,000 loss, it's not all in that account right now. I have taken some profits. I have bought some equipment, etc. But I have gone on to make a $25,000 profit. And it's a hard journey. There's a hard learning curve. So if it's my advice, it is just slow down. Slow down. You see how now, after 12 years in this industry, I have learnt to just slow down. Alright. Alright, I see 61. Yeah, so the cool thing is, you can just learn from it instead of making the same mistakes. That's all. Like, I wish I found the communities before I wrecked the $5,000 because I probably wouldn't have. And you know what? $5,000 back then, 2 years ago, priced into Bitcoin would be huge profits. And like, I should have been doing what I do now, which is this, as most of you know, making mad profits on very kind of low risk stuff. $600 profit on $2,000. Obviously, I have lots of other stuff happening for me. Alright, it's time. We can't be here forever. I see 59. I wish we could be here forever. Alright, see, Debold says drop the Facebook link. It is literally just Bybit official Facebook. Bybit official Facebook right now is live streaming. Alright, I see lots hopping off the live stream. So remember, stay in the live stream and the Kahoot. because it might just be essential. It might just be essential. I think it's time to go. We're very over time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we ready? Right now in the comments, are we ready? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, exactly. So take it slow. There we go. CBT, one of the first South African tokens. Yeah, that's the way it goes. It's the way it goes. Thank you, thank you. And it's this, I mean, to be honest, very honest, I wouldn't work for any other exchange. If I don't work with Bybit, like as this affiliate third party, I'm not going to work with any other exchange. Because Bybit's always been my absolute love. Alright, let's move now. I do agree, I do agree, I do agree. Alright, loving it. 64, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's go. There's the Kahoot link if you need it, and let's move. When is the date for our last live stream? $47 ounces in. Only 5 seconds left. Let's go. There it is. So that's going to be an extremely important stream. An extremely important stream. Because as most of us know, that time is the crazy time. That time is where we're either going to pump or dump, and we want to be entering the trades. Oops, wrong button. Ouch. That's the way it goes. Don't chase the market. Lovely. So just take it slow. There's always a million trades around the corner. I mean, HODLfire is sending us messages every 5 minutes with 10 different trades. Like, you just don't need to get into anything if it's not high probability. Don't chase the market. Thank you, Devault. Alright, Harsh. Who is Harsh? Who is Harsh taking first? Impressive. K-Bless, Zyder, King, Diva, love it. And a bit weird not to see Jess up here. But thank you for the help, Jess. You're amazing. Yeah, Christmas pump. It could be Christmas dump. Oh no, last chance of the toilet. Timed out. Oh, Miguel, there's a new link. So the pin is this one. The pin is 2911927. Maybe you missed the new link. We had to restart. So I'll give you 1 second. And Harsh, let us know who you are in the interim. Oh, it was just lag. No stress. I know signal can be an issue. So try to actually connect from your computer if you can. Alright, where did Sol pump to? Where did Sol pump to on Bybit Spot? $52 ounces in. We did talk about this. Very nice. It was indeed a huge pump. So about $63. K-Bless getting taken out. Zyder taking first. Trades taking second. DeBoss in third. JTGG, let us know who you are. Kelvin, let us know who you are. Solomon, please do not post the answers in the chat. Jess, please do put Solomon on a timeout for now, just in case he didn't hear. And yeah, please do join in the Kahoot. Do not drop the answers in the chat. Abhishek, I hope you are coming right. We have to move. We are already 90 minutes plus in. BlackRock filed for a spot. ETH ETF. True or false? Easy peasy. Abhishek, check out the new link if you're missing it. There is a new link. Alright, 6 seconds left. 62 ounces in. Very nice. This is indeed true. Super bullish for ETH. Super bullish for ETH. We've seen our BTC has been the focus, but if that happens, ETH will also take some focus. Alright, Zyder, the boss, trades, Rebirth, let us know who you are. Soul question was bad. Yeah, you can thank Mr. Airplanes for that one. For anyone who got tripped up. But I literally said it. I literally said that Soul pumped to $63 on Bybit. So, remember, take notes. True or false, BlackRock filed for a spot XRP ETF. Sure, answers flowing, competition is tight. Abhishek, how can I join again? Just use the pin. It's at the bottom of the screen. It is 2911927. And of course, here is the link. Nice, nice. So it is false. They have not yet filed for a spot ETF. I'm loving how the majority are getting these correct. Zyder, boss, lady, trades by real, Rebirth, and Driller. I don't believe there was much change. 6 players with an answer streak of 3. Let's move to question 5. See what Airplanes has in store. You are required to click on register now at our blog post to receive rewards if you are a winner moving forward. True or false? Five seconds left. 57 answers in. Smash it. Don't give up. Never give up. 58 true. Indeed. I think I've smashed it enough. True, true, true. Let's go. Zyder taking first, the boss second, JTGG coming up to third. Trades! Slowly creeping down to fourth. And Driller holding fifth. Alright, we move. Question 6, quiz. According to Jordan's TA, where is likely to be our new resistance for BTC? Remember I talked about the Fibonacci Golden Pocket short entry that we are currently looking for. This is a little bit advanced. Beautiful. So remember, those who chose... Oh no, it looks like there were 2 correct there, but at least only 18. So it shouldn't skew us. I'll see if I can fix that in the results. No stress. Sheesh. But trades by real first. Zyder second. JTG third. Driller fourth. Alright, so some of you got lucky. Let's move. What does POC stand for? Purpose of control. Pint of control. Points of control. Oh, sorry, points of controversy or points of control. $58 answers in. There we go. Well done to those getting it right. 44. And yeah, be aware, be aware. When I say POC, it's the point of control. It is so important. If we ever enter into the value range again, we head for that POC. Oh, sorry, default. No stress, no stress. Let's make it happen. Trades by real. Zyder, JTGG. So we're not seeing much movement. Come on. Let's mix it up. Question 8. What does VAHOR stand for? I believe I did say this. Two seconds left. I want to see all correct. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Oh, some were getting confused. And this was my trick. I knew this would trip you up. It is not the value average high. It is very specifically the value area high. So I'm glad I at least got this one right. Very important. And 31 smashing. 23 getting tricked. So let's see if we spiced it up. We spiced it up. Zyder. I have to apologize to you. But it is indeed a mistake. It is indeed a mistake. Ah, Sakura, I do believe you are watching on Facebook, so thank you so much. Very cool that we can now post Facebook comments. Yogi, let us know who you are. Kelvin, I'm so proud. Kodak, I'm proud. Alright, let's move. I do believe we're on question 9. What does ETF stand for? I did say this. 15 seconds left. Ah, sorry, Megs. Internet is a struggle in this world, not even just in this country. 57 answers in, 2 seconds left. Exchange, traded, funds. Lovely. Alright, so Yogi, I mean, you're doing well. You're doing very, very well. Driller, Kodak, Kelvin, 11 players with an answer streak. I do believe it's our last question. Yogi, I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed. Final cue. Let's go. When is the next Bybit Art of Trading live stream? Easy peasy. Valentine, it happens. Always gotta give room on the podium to others. 2 seconds left. There it is. This is what I want to see. Most of us getting it correct. Alright. Sniper entry 36.5. Exactly. Exactly what I'm talking about. Remember, look for the divs. Look for the bearish divergences on the smaller time frames. Amana. Well played. Alright, let's go. Final podium. We're giving 5 bonuses. We might try for 10 on the next run of streams. At the moment it is 5, and I do believe they are $30. And as you know, $30 can go a long way. You can actually create an account of $30. Yes, indeed. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so trades by Real, Driller, and Yogi in 3rd. Very, very cool. Yeah, there was 2 answers there, but I think it's okay. We need to give the newbies a chance too. And the ones who chose that lowest answer as resistance are obviously newbies. So to be honest, I don't think it matters too much. I want to replay this to see the runners up again. Who were the runners up? Just got to wait for this animation to quickly finish. We will refresh it. My hands got slippery. My hands are even slippery. I'm not even playing. Congrats to the winners. Alright, so let's replay this podium. Let me get a nice screenshot of our runners up. And congratulations to everyone. Good game. Well played. GG. Lalit, lovely to have you. What's up, Lalit? Alright, so I see this animation makes me lag a bit. Let me quickly grab the screenshot. Kodak Black and Kelvin representing Nigeria. I mean, Nigeria is in the building. Alright, so there we go. What we'd usually do is a little bit of a degen analysis of what happened in our degen trade. But as you can see, I mean, it's still playing out. And we killed it, according to the Bybit hodl fire. So things are looking good. I mean, if anything, we could quickly check our meme trade, which is still a little bit up. Everything's fine there. So not much more to talk about. Well done to the Kahoot winners. Let me drop those winners in the chat right now so that we can get you your bonuses. Remember, please send me your UID if you are Trades by Real, Big Driller, Kodak or Kelvin or Yogi. And thank you everybody. We are going to hop off. Awesome stream. I love it. Thank you. You knew it. You knew it. Why? Lalit, you're amazing. GG everyone. Congrats. GG, well played. Awesome to hear. Awesome to hear. So it's been a great stream. Thank you everybody for being here. You were close. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's call it a day. Remember, always play from a position of power and strength. Use a stop loss. You can see I never enter a trade without a stop loss. So don't come to me and tell me that you got liquidated. Please. come to tell me that you got stopped out. Alright, thank you everybody one more time. Well played to the winners. Always play from a position of power and strength. Use a stop loss and do not get wrecked. I'll say it again. I'll see you all in the communities. Thank you all for being here. Have a wonderful day. Further, I'll see you at hashtag WMO in Bybit official Telegram next week, Wednesday. Then, as you know, 29 November, we are right back here. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Alright, and hopefully Sheldon will be with us. Thanks again, everybody, and goodbye.